Hi guys, on board 747-400 ERF, and today's lesson is to do with pre-departure clearance. So ordinarily, like I showed you before in Penang, I use the hand mic and requested clearance from air traffic control. Now some airports have got what they call PDC, pre-departure clearance. So we actually request a clearance without having to speak on the radio, and the clearance comes through. I'll show you here on the 400 ERF. Here it says PDC request. See that? So if I go in there, we've already put it in Hong Kong, going to Singapore. We're on stand Charlie 14, that's the cargo bay, and the ATIS was Victor, and we're Boeing 744, and we're asking for the clearance to Singapore. So what I'll do now is I'll send that ACAS departure request like that. So that's gone off, and in a second or so we should get a printout that says on the received messages, there's ACAS uplink, there's PDC request status. Please stand by while processing. Okay, so it's being processed by ATC, and ATC, if they have it, will send it through and we'll get the PDC. There you go, Hong Kong PDC 183. So there we go, select that. We're cleared. Hong Kong TPA 079 cleared to Singapore off runway 25 left via Pecan 1 Bravo. The score code, they've given it to us, and the next frequency 129.9, and there's 129.9 selected there. So we'll be using that, and then next it says contact delivery on 129.9 when ready to start. Okay, so we'll accept that clearance now. And if I go back to receive messages, it should come up clearance confirmed. ATC has sent it back and said clearance confirmed. So we've got our clearance. So I could either, so the airports that have this facility, we don't have to do any voice communications, because quite often the ones that don't, if it's a busy airport, it's very difficult to get a word in to ask ATC for clearance. So with the PDC function, it cuts out all the talking on the radio and so on. What it does do, of course, is all the guys out there that are plane spotters won't hear anything, and they won't understand how come we just started engines without the clearance. It's because we're using pre-departure clearance, PDC. That's what it's called. So that's today's lesson. I hope you picked up on it, and that's how it works. Later.